What we're about to do now is change the base formula. That means what we're going to look at is how can we make this into a common log. So if we have this log, and I'm just going to write it log base 3. Looks like it's base 3, log 20 base 3. We can't type that in our calculator, and we can't evaluate that is. But what we can do is change it into a base one, and all we do is follow the example up here. Is I'm going to change to a log base 10, and I'm not going to write the base 10, 20 over log of this base 3. And now we can type these into our calculator. So log 20, if I go log 20, so if I go log 20, I get 1.30102 over log 3, which is 0.47712. Remember, we always go out 5 places so we can round. So the top ends up being 1.3010 because this is less than 5, so this stays the same. This is less than 5, so this stays the same, 0.4771. And if you take that in your calculator and go 1.301 divided by 0.4771, and we'll get our answer, our final answer of 2.72689. Once again, that number's bigger than 5, so our answer is going to be 2.7269 as our final answer for that. So we can figure that out by just changing the base so we can type it in our calculator. So let's do the next change of base 1, log 8 base 6. So log 8 with a base 6 can be changed into a log of 8 over the log of 6. And the 6 just becomes the number now, not the base, because the base is now 10. And if you take that and put that in your calculator, I'm just going to go ahead and do the shortcut method in my calculator. I can go log 8, and then I can go log 6, hit enter, and I will get the answer 1.16055. This is 5 or bigger, so this is going to go up 1. So my answer is going to be 1.1606.